על נהרות בבל, שם ישבנו גם בכינו, בזוכרנו את
Our Servants Heart team is here in Nazareth, right in the old city near the historic part of Nazareth, and we're working here at a Baptist school and Baptist church, and we're excited to have our team here assembling food care packages. The church is going to distribute them here in Nazareth to needy people, and so we're thrilled to be here as part of our Servants Heart program here in the land of Israel. And thank you so much for your prayers and for your support to make this happen. We're excited about it and what the Lord has in store and how He will use these projects for His glory.
I just would like to say how much your kindness is appreciated. And I want to thank you so much for your help and for your time that you are coming here, for your heart, that it's really, you are at the servant hearts. This is what we feel, and we thank the Lord that He bring us together, especially for the poor people in this country. You are in our prayers, and we'll hope that we'll keep in touch together, and thank you so much.